Hi everyone, I am Wafa Langao and welcome you all in Grammar in Detail. Today we are going to discuss the ditransitive verb give from active voice into passive voice, how you are going to change it. Before starting the lecture, we will first discuss the definition of ditransitive verb, then we will go towards the ditransitive verb give. Di means to and transitive which can be changed into passive voice and verb which shows an action. So those verbs which need two objects and can be changed in passive voice into four ways are called the ditransitive verbs. And today we will discuss the ditransitive verb give. It needs two objects. This should be in your mind: one direct object and then one indirect object. Why do they need two objects? They need two objects because without two objects these will not be able to give complete sense, or sometimes they may give us wrong sense. Suppose if I say they need one direct object and one indirect. Direct object means all non-livings and indirect object means all livings. Now why do they need one living and one non-living object? Means one direct and one indirect object. If I say you gave me, a question arises: what did I give you, or what did you give to me? Clear? You gave me. And if I say you gave a watch, a question arises again: whom did you give a watch? So here in both sentences the sense is not clear, though it is having subject and predicate giving clear and complete sense, but over here it needs further completion. For that you need to use the two objects, one direct and one indirect. If we bring both these two objects with ditransitive or give, then it will be further clear to us. Suppose if I say you gave me a watch. Now see over here the sense is clear that you gave me what? A watch. You gave a watch whom? To me. You gave me what? A watch. So there in both object it is necessary to be put in the sentence in order to clear the sense. Now over here again, if we say you want to bring the direct object in the place of indirect object and indirect in the place of direct object, so you need to use a preposition like you gave a watch to me. So this is over here the sense is now clear and complete that in both sentences. You gave me a watch, you gave a watch to me. Now we will discuss our main target, how you are going to change it from active voice into passive voice. So the ditransitive verbs we will be changing from active voice into passive voice. First we will be discussing the simple sentences of ditransitive verbs. What are the simple sentences which make simple statement? And today we will be having the modal auxiliary verb should. Keep in your mind, should is less stressable than must and ought to. These three modal auxiliary verbs, must, ought to and should, they are used for the possibility, and must is used for an action where you have got their 100% possibility of an action, and that is to be done as obligatory to you. 100% it is to be done. Ought to means 85%, and should means 75% an action is to be done. And today we will be discussing the ditransitive verb give in modal auxiliary verb should. He should give us knowledge. He should give knowledge to us. This work is 75% necessary for him to provide us knowledge. And in the same way, as I told you, if you want to bring the direct object, means the non-living at the beginning, so you will use your you will be using a preposition with your indirect object, means your indirect object will be followed by a preposition. He should give us knowledge. He should give knowledge to us. And next, how we are going to change it from active voice into passive voice in four ways. Before we will be discussing the rules. Us is the indirect object and knowledge is the direct. Us changes into we because it will take the place of subject, and knowledge will remain same, knowledge in place of subject. But keep in your mind, when it comes in place of subject, there it will not be called the doer of an action subject. Here it will be called whether to we and we, knowledge and knowledge. Here they are known as the title subject or topic subject. Here you are going to call them the title or topic subject, which and it means that which we are talking about. And here we are talking about we. In second sentence as well we. In third sentence about knowledge, and again in fourth sentence about knowledge. But keep in your mind, here by him, there your subject is he. When it takes the place of object, here it will not be called object. By him, again by him, and by him, and by him, in all these four sentences, here these all will be called agent. And what is the definition of agent? It tells us who does an action. So keep in your mind, here it will be your agent. Now he should give us knowledge, he should give knowledge to us. We should be given by him knowledge, we should be given knowledge by him. Knowledge should be given by him to us, knowledge should be given to us by him. Next we have got the negative sentences. Those sentences in which we deny the statement, reject the statement, and refuse the statement are called negative sentences. He should not give us knowledge, he should not give knowledge to us. We should not be given by him knowledge, we should not be given knowledge by him. Knowledge should not be given by him to us, knowledge should not be given to us by him. Next we have got the interrogative sentences in which we ask questions. Should he give us knowledge, should he give knowledge to us? Should we be given by him knowledge, should we be given knowledge by him? Should knowledge be given by him to us, should knowledge be given to us by him? Next we have got the formal sentences of ditransitive verb give. And what are formal sentences? Those sentences in which we ask question, deny the statement, and we ask them in a formal way, polite way, and respectful way are called formal sentences. Should he not give us knowledge, should he not give knowledge to us? Should we not be given by him, should we not be given knowledge by him, should we not be given by him knowledge? Should knowledge not be given by him to us, should knowledge not be given by him to us? And to us by him, you can change it, by him, or a print mistake, you will say to us by him. Next we have got the last informal sentences. Those sentences in which we ask question, deny the statement, and we ask them in a informal way are called informal sentences. Shouldn't he give, and should not short form is shouldn't. Shouldn't he give us knowledge? Shouldn't he give knowledge to us? Shouldn't we be given by him knowledge? Knowledge by him. Shouldn't we be given by him knowledge? Shouldn't knowledge be given by him to us? Shouldn't knowledge be given to us by him? So these are the sentences, by him at the beginning, to us at the end, to us at the beginning, by him at the end. Now see, by him, over there a print mistake, but this should be in your mind. Here to us will come first and then by him. So these are the four ways to change the ditransitive verb give from active voice into passive voice. Hope today's lecture is clear to you people. Wish you best of luck. See you next time with next lecture. Goodbye.